Are your business assets scattered with no clear visibility or delayed updates? Managing them through spreadsheets often leads to missed updates and lack of accountability. With MAPOG, you can map every asset, manage tasks, and monitor operations, all from one interactive platform. Let's take the example of ATMs and see how it works. Open story.mapog.com and go to the Task Management dashboard. Click on Create New Task. For new sites, select Create New Custom Location, or choose Create from Existing Point for already mapped ones. Now click the Settings icon next to Custom Location Template and select Add More Custom Location Template. Give your template a name, assign a color, and set geometry to point. Add relevant attributes such as ATM name in Text, ATM type in Select, with options like on-site and off-site, address in address field and more. Enable contributor access so field teams can update details directly from the site. Save the template so it can be reused across similar networks. Next, go to Completion Form Setup. Select your template and create forms for all tasks or each task that must be filled before closing any task. Add validation questions such as what issue was resolved, using field type as multi-select, with options like cash refill, hardware issue, network issue, or card reader problem. Then, save the question. Even add questions for photo proof and video proof. Now return to the dashboard and click Create New Map. Choose Category as Map Template, add a title and description, enable Task Management, and click Create. This becomes your central workspace for managing all locations. Go to Process Custom Location and select Add by uploading CSV Excel to upload your sites in bulk. Select your template from the drop-down, then browse and upload your dataset containing location details. Next, choose a unique ID attribute if available, or select Auto-Generate ID to let MAPOG create one automatically to uniquely identify each location and avoid duplicates. Match your Excel fields with the attributes. For placements, choose latitude and longitude or WKT and click Submit. Your points will instantly appear on the map. Once the points are visible, click on any location's pencil icon and choose Edit Custom Location Details. Here, you can add descriptions and upload site images, making each point more informative. Once added, click Save. Next, select a location and click Add Task. Enter the task title such as Network Connectivity Check, add description, due date, and deal value if needed. Then choose task types like Fix, Work, Follow Up or create custom tasks through the Manage option. Just click Add More Task Type and create one, such as Inspection and save. You can then create completion forms for individual task types. Next, set the task status as Open or Assigned and set priority level, such as Urgent, High, Low. To assign team members, click Add New Team Member, enter their email IDs, and assign roles such as Admin, who manages overall operations, or Others, who handle assigned tasks. And click Add. Then select Members from the drop-down, enable the option to allow users to edit location details for on-site updates, and save the task. Multiple tasks can be assigned to a single location. To style and organize your assets, navigate to Map Layers and click Add Layer Style. In the Category section, select an attribute, then go to Category Icons. Either color code points and choose from the provided icons, or upload and choose custom ones and save style to turn points into icons. Next, add labels for that. Go to Map Layers again and click Label feature there. Select a desired attribute that you want to show on the map and adjust the font style, size, and color as needed. Once done, click Save Label to apply the styling to your map. To organize your map efficiently, use Group by attributes to categorize locations like ATM type, area type, or others. Then, use the filter option to display specific data based on type or status and click Apply. You can also sort points by place name or live location. Just search for a nearby area and let the map show distances, helping teams prioritize visits and plan routes effectively. On the MAPOG Contributor app, field users can view assigned tasks, filter them by priority or status, and update progress as arrived, started, or on hold. Once marked completed, the completion form appears where they submit details with comments, images, or videos as proof of service. At the same time, admins can monitor everything from the task management section in the dashboard. They can filter tasks by status, assignees, and more, review location updates and can either approve or reject them, and even track progress through completion forms and update status as reassigned or done, and can add comments and submit review to ensure accountability and smooth operations. Finally, go to Preview and Share. Share your map privately through Add User and Assign Roles, or publicly via link or embedded map option. With MAPOG, managing distributed assets becomes structured, real-time, and efficient. From tracking locations to ensuring timely servicing, everything is handled in one centralized system. Start building at story.mapog.com. For any support or assistance, reach out to support@mapog.com.